studio. We'll have your cases delivered for you in the morning, Miss Unger.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you, Miss Unger.
Honey? I'm home. Studio booked me on an earlier flight. Michael? fucking shit, Michael.
No, this way. Face the cam.
Daddy, no!
Yes. Smile! It's not gonna hurt anymore, sweetheart. You wanna go for an ice cream? Wave goodbye to the camera. Don't forget, it's our little secret. Good girl.
Police, anyone home? Hello? Anybody there?
Shit.
Oh God, you scared the living crap out of me.
Connie Lynn, Frankie Younger. Finally we meet. I saw your card.
Ah, yes, the card. What's with the,
No idea. Jet lag still got me by the throat. Just got back from Europe.
Well, Michael said that there was something wrong with the patio. He wasn't specific. Is he...
No, he's not. But I can get him for you. Shit.
Dead?
Very.
Well, the hills are renowned for being a cell phone dead zone.
Landline's not connected either. Michael has a real problem with priorities. Come on in. I'll fix you a Bloody Mary.
Okay.
Is there something I can help you with? You know where the kitchen is? I'm the owner, after all.
Just wanted me to check out something on the patio. You're pretty brave buying this place sight unseen. Don't you love it, though?
Once I add my own personal touch, I will. Grab some ice.
phone don't work. Hey, whoa. Let me explain. Before you go even varmint Lubin's at Taps.
Varmint? Taps?
Terrence Aloysius Parks. Exterminator extraordinaire. Hired by one Michael Caine.
Unfortunately, the one with K, not a C.
You're Francine Unger, hottest female producer in Hollywood.
Frankie Unger, director and screenwriter. How did you get in my house?
Michael gave me a key. Wanted me to get right on that varmint problem.
What varmint?
Well, lady, you got a whole family of Chippendales nesting in the walls.
Chipmunks?
Squirrels in the... I'm always getting my cartoon characters mixed up. Don't! Anyways, them squirrels love creating havoc, and odds are they're the culprits. Been dining on your phone line. Michael hired me to perform a classical tap solution.
Tap solution.
Why? Kill him. And I found a big rat in your garage. And I sure fixed his sorry ass.
You used my kitchen knife on a rat.
Sorry. It's just the handiest thing for a ticklish situation that could only be rectified by Terry Aloysius Parks.
Hi, I'm Charisse Abbott. I live a few houses down. I heard I had a new neighbor, and I thought I'd bring a welcome to the neighborhood gift.
Frankie Unger. It's very sweet of you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Please come in.
Thank you. I met Michael, the actor guy, a couple weeks ago when he moved in. Is he your boyfriend?
Kinda.
Well, you don't have to worry about me. He's not really my type. So, did you hear all the commotion last night?
No,
How could you not? There were sirens galore. The cops came to my house at 3 o'clock in the morning. They didn't try you?
Charisse, this is Connie and Terry. Terry's an exterminator and Connie's my realtor. Charisse is just a friendly neighbor who showed up bearing gifts.
You don't look Greek.
Brownies.
Did I hear someone say brownies? You're home.
So it appears.
Didn't expect you back until the end of the week.
Well, I can go away and come back if you like.
No, just surprised me, that's all.
I did try to call you, but I came home to find that squirrels have disconnected our phone line.
That's why I hired Terry. Did you see that police tape next door?
You haven't heard?
No. Heard what?
Andrew Nelson was murdered last night. One of his actresses found him and called 911.
Andrew? Kitty porn?
They think it's the work of that porno serial killer. He's already done it in 4 of them.
Did you know him, Michael?
Well, yeah, sort of. He introduced himself to me when I moved in. That's about it, though. Excuse me, honey. I'm just gonna dump this bag upstairs.
Andrew Nelson. I remember him now.
Wasn't he part of that child pornography ring that got busted a few years ago?
Well, what happened to him?
DA couldn't make their case. He got off.
I mean, how was he killed?
Butchered with a knife.
It was a big-ass rat. What?
I'm famished. Terry, you must be famished after all that varmint killing. Michael, fire up the barbecue. We'll have brunch on the patio. There's a small jacuzzi if you guys want to cool off. I'm sure I can find something for you to wear, unless you want to go all natural.
I don't mind. How about you, Con? Come on, Terry. Don't be shy.
Does Nelson have the tape?
If the cops find it.
What's the big deal? We fucked each other in a video. It's not like we broke a law.
It gives us motive, sweetie.
Our guests seem to be bonding.
Looks like it.
Guess I better get these going.
Quick, before the Hollywood princess appears. Where's the tape, Michael?
Yeah, our DNA will be all over his place.
I had the tape.
Well, then get rid of it.
I said I had the tape. It's missing.
It's missing because you're chalked up all the time and forget where you put things. Or maybe it's missing because you conveniently misplaced it.
Oh, blackmail. There's the motive, Charisse. And we only had your word you were in San Diego.
Third-rate unemployed leading man does have its drawbacks.
Why would I blackmail a third-rate character actor posing as a second-rate exterminator? Why would I blackmail any of you? I can't afford the scandal.
That's exactly what you need!
Well, what about you, Terry? You were here before I was.
And I really was exterminating.
Yeah, right.
So, why were you here of all things, Connie?
Nelson's name was on the back of my business card, which I left on the fridge. I had to get it back, just like we have to get the tape back. It's evidence.
There's a lot of stress in the cul-de-sac this morning. Not to mention murder.
She has the tape.
I've been looking for that.
Very impressive. Especially the girl on guy. Great production value for such a low-budget short. Nelson really was top of his game.
Frankie, look, I can explain.
Michael, I don't care if you fucked her. After all, that is what you do. It's what you're good at.
You can play with this too, Frankie.
Play. I don't play when it comes to the Andrew Nelsons of this world. Was it your idea, Connie? What, are you realtor by day, porno queen by night? Come on, give us a smile.
We needed the tape, Frankie. Even though we didn't do it, it ties us.
That's right, Taps. It ties you to me through Michael. Does anybody else know about your little orgies?
No.
We were discreet.
I work hard to rid the world of sick predators like Nelson.
Frankie?
They had to be punished for what they did to me, what they do.
Give me that camera, cunt. I don't give a shit.
I do, bitch. Now we really have a problem on the patio, Connie.
Let me go, Frankie. Shit!
F you, Taps. Frankie Unger exterminates rodents too.
Fucking bitch.
Poor sweet Charisse. You're the only innocent in this debacle. Everything would have worked out perfectly if only you wannabe porn stars had just stayed out of my business.
You see, I starred in my first porn movie at the age of 7. Dad was the leading man.
It's our little secret.
Studios wonder where I get my inspiration from. When I was in Europe, researching a script, I found Archangel. Archangel was an Interpol operation against the child porn trade worldwide. If they couldn't get them legally, they sent in a cleaner. Kind of like you. Who knows? We might become lovers.
Hello, Miss Unger. Miss Unger, it's me, Sean, from the studio. Miss Unger. Hello? Miss Unger? It's me, Sean, from the studio. I have your bags. I'm coming in now. Miss Unger! Miss Unger! It's not a burglar. It's just me, Sean. Good old Sean. Hey, Miss Unger. Hey. Hey.
Jesus. Oh my God. Man. Jesus.
Miss Unger!
John, help me!
Miss Unger!
Help!
Miss Unger!
Help! I've been stabbed!
Miss Unger! Here, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. The killer's gone. I heard him leave, okay? Don't move, don't move. Wait right there. I'll go get help. I'll go get help. Hey, I'm glad I got here when I did.
Feel it, sense it, can't erase it, need it, see it, can't replace it. The memory. It's really quiet when fear makes noise and the beating of your heart grows weary of the choice. Can't deny it when fear makes noise, makes you stop and think when it's louder than my voice. Smell it, touch it, almost taste it, hate it, want it, you can't waste it. You can't waste it. It's really quiet when pain makes noise. Circumstances are the evidence, takes away the choice. Can't deny it when pain makes noise. I can hardly help it when it's louder than my voice. Fight it, lose it, can't refuse it. Hate in places no one takes it. Now remember the memory. And I remember the treachery, you touching me, you haunted me, the enemy. And it's louder than my voice. It's really quiet when